going every day? It's Friday night. We've gone down to the dyno tomorrow. If you watched the other video, you would see that we're taking the escort down to Andy's dyno tomorrow just to get it run up and get everything looked through before the year starts. So what we're going to be doing tonight is just quickly changing the oil, dropping it down off the stones, and I'll fire it up and just let it run up to temperature. Just in case any of you guys are wondering, the oil we always use on the motor is Lucas fully synthetic 1060. Right guys, that's the oil all topped up, so just going to go for a wee fire up and let it heat up. You might need to bear with me because it can be temperamental. And as I literally said 2 seconds ago, it's temperamental to start sometimes. So it wouldn't start, and what I ended up finding was a really no button. I don't know where you can see that. But anyway, you usually hear a relay clicking in the dash because I've put the ECU in that in the dash when you turn the ignition on, and couldn't hear that, so I put the relay out and it's all corroded inside. So a bit of a panic the day before you go to maybe taking the car somewhere, but these things happen. So we'll try again, try for another fire up, and I'm pretty sure it will go this time. How's it going every day? It's dyno day with the escort. We're currently about 15 minutes away from Andy's place. We're already late. Hope you enjoyed the video. Remember to leave a thumbs up and subscribe. That's Alistair's music for the trip. It's been an hour listening to level 42. We ended up having to abort the dyno day today because we were having an issue with the centre diff and the gearbox. So we've brought the car back and we're just going to put it up in the lift, and that'll probably do us for the day, and then we'll come back in tomorrow and pour the box with it. We'll put another diff in it and we're going back the next Sunday. Well, as you can see, motor's back in, ready to go in the ramp. We'll just come out in the morning, let the box out it and see what's happening with that. And that's what happens with race cars. You just have issues and stuff that you can't help. So I'd rather it happen here and at the dyno rather than being miles away and on a race weekend and having issues and all that. So it's still a success for what I would say, because it's not happened at a race weekend. We'll be ripping the box at the tomorrow probably, so probably be a video going up in the middle of this week, just rebuilding the box and putting it back in and that. So we'll probably do that as well, and also another video going up with the Sierra going into paint, because I think that should be going into paint the next couple of days. So thanks for watching, and remember to like and subscribe.